In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello timeline view in just 5 minutes. This feature is incredibly useful for anyone looking to visualize and manage their projects more efficiently. It provides a clear overview of your tasks spread across a timeline, making scheduling and planning a breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Trello account. Start by heading over to the Trello website and clicking on the login button. For most of us, it's standard practice to use a Google account for logging into various platforms because of its convenience and security features. So once you've clicked the login button, select Google as your login method and choose the account you wish to use, preferably the one you typically associate with your work tasks. This keeps everything streamlined and in one place. Now that you're logged in successfully, it's time to navigate to your Trello board. If you have multiple boards, locate the one where you want to create the timeline view. You can easily find your board by checking the list on the main dashboard page, or you can bookmark frequently used boards for even quicker access. For demonstration purposes, we'll head over to a sample board that's set up specifically for this tutorial. Upon opening your selected board, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You should notice a ribbon at the top that displays the current board view. Usually this is set to board by default. Now focus your attention on the small down arrow located next to the word board in this ribbon. Click on this arrow and you'll see a drop down menu presenting you with various view options. This is where the magic happens. Within this drop down you'll be able to see several different ways to view your board, each tailored for different aspects of project management. But for our purpose today, you'll want to click on Timeline. This selection will instantly transform your typical board layout into a visually appealing timeline view. And there you go, you've successfully created a timeline view in Trello. This new perspective offers a comprehensive glance at your project timelines, helping you manage deadlines and coordinate tasks more effectively. Each task or card will appear as a bar across the timeline, allowing you to quickly assess overlaps or gaps in your schedule. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. Make sure to regularly update your cards with accurate due dates for this timeline view to serve its full potential. Being diligent about keeping your tasks updated ensures your timeline is a dependable project management tool. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find your new Trello timeline view incredibly helpful in organizing your projects better. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing.